It's official. For the first time in cricket history, a major test playing nation has been ejected from a World Cup just days before the first ball was bowled. The ICC has pulled the plug on Bangladesh for the 2026 T20 World Cup. No Kolkata matches, no Eden Gardens roar, and in their place, a team from the other side of the world, Scotland. How did it come to this? Was it a security threat, or is there a deeper political game being played? Today on the Factz 360, we uncover the real facts behind the Bangladesh exit. The breaking news arrived this morning. The International Cricket Council, ICC, confirmed that Scotland will replace Bangladesh in Group C. The reason? The Bangladesh Cricket Board, BCB, flatly refused to travel to India for their group stage matches. They cited extreme security concerns and requested the ICC to move their games to Sri Lanka. But the ICC didn't budge. After 3 weeks of secret meetings in Dubai, the ICC board voted 14-2 against Bangladesh. Their independent security experts found no credible or verifiable threat to the team in India. When the BCB missed a final 24-hour ultimatum last night, the ICC took the nuclear option. To understand the why, we have to look back a few weeks. The tension started when the BCCI reportedly instructed Kolkata Knight Riders to release Bangladesh pacer Mustafizur Rahman from the IPL. The BCCI cited developments regarding the safety of minorities in Bangladesh. In retaliation, Bangladesh banned the IPL broadcast in their country. What started as a player dispute quickly escalated into a diplomatic war. The BCB claimed that if their players weren't welcome in the IPL, they didn't feel safe playing a World Cup on Indian soil. But many experts call this a political gimmick that backfired. So why Scotland? They didn't even qualify initially. Actually, Scotland is the highest ranked T20 team, ranked 14, that wasn't already in the tournament. They have a history of being giant killers. Remember when they beat Bangladesh in 2021? Scotland will now take over Bangladesh's entire schedule. Feb 7 versus West Indies, Kolkata, Feb 14 versus England, Kolkata, Feb 17 versus Nepal, Mumbai. For the Scots, it's a miracle. For the Bangladesh fans, it's a heartbreak of a lifetime. This decision sets a massive precedent. It proves that the ICC will not change a World Cup schedule for politics. But it also leaves Bangladesh cricket in a dark place. They lose millions in revenue and their ranking will likely plummet. Was the ICC too harsh, or was Bangladesh wrong to mix politics with the gentleman's game? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Is the T20 World Cup the same without the Bangla Tigers? Hit that subscribe button for the Factz 360. We bring you the full circle on every story.